Today at Powerwash.com, we're carving pumpkins. Hello everybody, Christopher from Powerwash.com here. Today we're going to carve some pumpkins with our new Mustang 355, set up to give 3,000 PSI at 5.5 gallons per minute, hence the 355. I'm not going to make you wait any longer. Hit like and subscribe so that you know when this gets released and how much it'll be and all the technical specs that I know you want to know. But let's get to blowing up some pumpkins. That was a lot of fun carving up these pumpkins. We want you to get in on the fun too. So we're going to have a contest. Winner gets a $100 gift card to Powerwash.com. And for every submission, we'll donate $10 to Susan G. Komen for the Cure. It's a cancer charity. It's our charity this month. And so post up your videos. We'll post the winner on Tuesday. And get out there and have some fun.